Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make 3 simple floral arrangements. They could be used around your house. They could even be used at a wedding reception. Just depends on what you want to use them for. Now I'm going to show you how to make these, but I also have opened an Etsy shop, so I will have all of these available on my Etsy shop. The link will be down below in the description box. So let's jump right on in. Is a Kate Spade inspired floral arrangement, and you're going to need one of these small vases, and I got this from the Dollar Tree. Everything you need for this project will be listed in the description box. In fact, everything for all projects will be listed in the description box. Now I got these roses from the Dollar Tree. They do have some beautiful pink roses right now. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap my ribbon and find the size that I need to cut to go around the base of the vase. Now I'm going to also seal off the edge of the ribbon using my lighter, and that's just to make sure that it doesn't unravel. So I'm going to use this craft glue. Now I did end up using hot glue to seal the end of the ribbon, and I'll show you that once I get to it. But this craft glue I did use to secure the ribbon to the vase. Now this end piece I did go back and use some hot glue afterwards because it was taking a long time to dry and I wanted to move on to the next step. Now I want these, the top ribbon and the bottom ribbon to line up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my scissors and just kind of cut it so that they align as close as I can. And I'm showing here where I'm using the craft glue, but I actually went back and used some hot glue as well because I wanted to go on to the next step of the process. Okay, so now I'm going to cut down my foam. I'm just measuring out to the opening of the vase. Now I'm going to cut down all of my roses, and I'm going to cut them down to basically the height of the vase. And I'm going to put one in the center, one on the right, one on the left, and then I'm going to turn it and do the exact same thing. Now I'm going to look at it to see if I have some spaces, and I'm just going to fill the spaces in with any additional roses. And this is really easy, straight to the point, and look how cute this is. This could go anywhere in your home. Now I'm going to take some of this pink satin ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to wrap it around the center of the vase, and I'm going to take some hot glue to secure it to the vase. I also sealed off the edge with my lighter as well. Now you can put some hot glue on the back side of this so that your ribbon doesn't droop down, but I was able to pull it tight enough to where I was okay with it. So now I'm going to take an additional piece of the ribbon and I'm just going to make a bow. I'm going to take about 12 inches of ribbon. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to tie a bow, and then I'm going to use my hot glue gun and I'm just going to attach it right to the very spot where the ribbon actually came together, and that's going to hide that. Now this could be left just like this. Isn't this beautiful? I'm just going to add one little rhinestone right to the very center. I'm going to show you that in a second. I'm just going to use my hot glue gun to attach it. And this one is done. So now we can move on to our next DIY. And this one will be on my Etsy shop as well. Isn't that cute on the shelf? That could also go on your bedside table, or it could go on a coffee table or an end table. It could go in your kitchen, wherever you want to see something pretty. Okay, so the next one is what I'm calling Simple Elegance. I got this vase from Michael's, and I used a 50% off coupon. And I also got the flowers from, the pink flowers are from Michaels, the white flowers are from wish.com, and I will have all the links below. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in on the very edge with the 3 white roses, and I'm going to have them hang over the edge just a little bit. Then I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to do the exact same thing with the pink roses on the other edge. And then I'm going to fill in the center with 2 roses. Now this looks pretty cute, but I'm going to change out a white for a pink just to give it a little bit more interest. And I did remove all the leaves, all the bigger leaves from these flowers. And that is all that it requires to make this really simple, beautiful, and elegant centerpiece that could go at your table or anywhere in your home. And this one is also on my Etsy shop as well. Okay, DIY number 3 is a glam style, or can be used for a wedding. I am introducing more teal into my home, and so I took this planter that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just took my Krylon teal spray paint, and I just went on and spray painted. The actual name of the spray paint will be down in the description box. So I'm going to take some of this diamond wrap, which already has the adhesive on the back. I'm going to cut it, and I'm just going to go around the top. I'm going to do about 3 or 4 rows around the top. Then I'm going to do 3 or 4 rows around the bottom. At the very bottom, I'm going to use this floral rhinestone ribbon that I actually picked up at Michaels a while ago. I'm going to use that at the very bottom because I think that's going to give it some interest. But other than that, I'm just going to go around with my diamond wrap. And this can be done in a number of different ways. You could do diamond wrap from the top all the way down to the bottom. Just whatever is your style and your taste. And I'm just going to keep applying it, keep cutting it and applying it to length. Okay, now I'm going to add a design. I'm just going to cut a 5x5 square of the diamond wrap. I'm just going to apply it right to the center. I think that's just going to add a little bit of extra interest. And then I'm going to take one of my floral rhinestone pieces. I'm just going to apply it right on top. And I think that's just going to add an extra little touch. So now I'm going to go in with the flowers. So I already have the floral foam on the inside, and I'm going to do it just like how I did the Kate Spade inspired one. I'm going to put one in the center, one to the right, one to the left, one to the back, one to the front, and then I'm going to just fill in the gaps. And that really is all to this arrangement. So guys, I would like to thank you all for watching. If you would like to purchase any of the items that I DIY, I'm going to start putting it on my Etsy shop. I just opened the shop maybe about 2 weeks ago. There's not a lot on there yet, but my plan is to put a whole lot more on there. So definitely check me out. If you have any questions about anything, you can email me through my shop, or you can definitely email me through designfun@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.